You know how to get into. Well, I'm not in front of my radio. I'm in front of the Anon now. But go in. You have two parametrics. One of them is parametric and one is called P-parametric. P-parametric is when you're running the processor. The regular parametric is when you're not running the processor, which you will do on AM. And I want you to bring the upper one up, the one that's bring the frequency up to like 3,200, I think. And then I want you to bring up the gain of about 5, and then the bandwidth of 1. So just that one setting I want you to do for me. Times, and I asked, I'm sorry I didn't hear you. But that's what happens. So sometimes it's to one's advantage, and sometimes it's not. Like last week, I worked somebody in France, somebody in England. That was good. No, somebody in Italy and England on AM. You know, that's when the big Yagi helps. But stateside is terrible. So many people hear me, Mark, and they start calling, and I feel bad because I truly can't hear them. I mean, I'll have 10 people calling at once, and they're all right in the noise, and I just can't pick them out. And it's my fault, you know, for having a louder signal than they do. Oh, what you're supposed to say? I know you. You're Randy in Arizona. You're not GX. That dummy. You know what I'm talking about, right?
I like this guy already.
Every single day he gets on there. And once in a while I say, hey, Todd, why don't you give it a break, brother? Change frequency. Move around a little bit. And now when people call into him, half the time he yells at them. The other half of the time, he tells them to get lost.
Poor Randy.
Hello, CQ. CQ. Hello, CQ.
And then his wife gets on and calls CQ. But he's, oh, my God. He's something else. Anyway, but I once broke in to break his chops. You know what I mean? He recognized my voice instantly. He said, I know you. It was great. I swear. All right, anyway, thank you, my friend Mark. Have a wonderful day in Manchester, Maryland. It's beautiful, 70 degrees outside here in Arizona. It's gorgeous. I will talk to you later, my friend.